Hey guys, this is the RJ Mitchell Budgie little helicopter kiddie ride, so let's go.
Please push the start button. Stand by to take off. This is fun. Budgie to Pippa, come in Pippa. Budgie to Pippa,
Budgie to Pippa, come in Pippa.
Budgie to Pippa.
Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Let's see Fun Bus there, I think I'll film that soon. Budgie! Budgie's a little helicopter. There's Scoop there. Yeah, made in 1994 by Mitchell's Children's Ride of Skegness, under licence from I can't remember. It was a Duchess. It was. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Budgie. That's for any voice acting projects. We've got a voice actor for Lionel from Budgie Little Helicopter. I'll do it.
Budgie the little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard.
First time I've filmed this on my channel.
Come in Pippa. Budgie to Pippa. Come in Pippa.
Budgie to Pippa. Come in Pippa. Budgie's a little helicopter. He is, I think, Budgie, the little helicopter. Budgie's little helicopter.
Please push the start button.
Yeah, I think, so that was it. I think I'll film a POV now.